Fermented foods have become one of the most celebrated cornerstones of digestive wellness, and for good reason. They offer a natural, time-tested way to support the gut with minimal effort and no dependence on complicated interventions. These foods are created through fermentation, a process in which beneficial microbes, usually bacteria, yeasts, or both, break down sugars and other compounds in food to produce acids, gases, and a variety of health-supportive metabolites. This transformation not only preserves the food but also enhances its nutritional profile, creating flavors that are richer, tangier, and more complex. What makes fermentation especially exciting from a health perspective is that the microbes responsible for the transformation often remain alive in the final food, offering a direct and gentle way to enrich the gut microbiome. Common fermented foods appear in nearly every culture, reflecting a long history of using natural microbial processes to improve both flavor and health. Yogurt and kefir remain two of the most widely studied and accessible options, offering live bacteria that have been shown to support digestion and immune balance. Kimchi and sauerkraut bring together vegetables and lactic acid, producing bacteria to create vibrant, gut-friendly dishes rich in vitamins and fiber. Miso, tempeh, natto, and other soy-based ferments are staples in many Asian cuisines and are known for their savory depth and high content of beneficial compounds. Kombucha provides a lightly effervescent way to consume probiotics, while traditional sourdough bread undergoes a slow fermentation that improves digestibility and flavor. Even aged cheeses, certain pickles, and fermented beverages like kvass and lassi contribute to this diverse category. What all these foods share is a natural abundance of bioactive compounds and, often, living cultures that interact positively with the digestive system. The fermentation process itself is one of nature's most elegant biological collaborations. Microorganisms feed on the carbohydrates found in foods, producing lactic acid, acetic acid, alcohol, carbon dioxide, and various flavor compounds as byproducts. These acidic and enzymatic changes create an environment where harmful bacteria cannot thrive, while beneficial species flourish. The result is food that is not only preserved but enhanced, rich in probiotics, enzymes, peptides, vitamins, and short-chain fatty acids that contribute directly to gut health. The fact that fermentation occurs naturally with minimal intervention also means that these foods are generally accessible and straightforward to incorporate into everyday meals. Research on fermented foods continues to uncover wide-ranging benefits, many of which extend far beyond the digestive system. Numerous studies show that individuals who regularly eat fermented foods tend to have a more diverse gut microbiome, which is strongly associated with better metabolic health, improved immune responses, and lower levels of systemic inflammation. Fermented dairy products such as yogurt and kefir have been shown to support lactose digestion, ease bloating, and contribute to balanced gut flora. Vegetable ferments like kimchi and sauerkraut contain a blend of fiber and live microbes that support smoother digestion and microbial resilience. Even postbiotic compounds created during fermentation, such as lactic acid, bioactive peptides, and short-chain fatty acids, appear to strengthen the intestinal lining, reduce inflammation, and communicate with the immune system in positive ways. What makes the growing body of research so uplifting is the consistent message that small, simple additions of fermented foods can make a meaningful difference. People do not need to overhaul their eating patterns to benefit. Adding a spoonful of sauerkraut to a meal, choosing yogurt as a snack, or enjoying a cup of miso soup can gradually contribute to improved digestion and overall wellness. The stability and safety of fermented foods make them accessible to most people, and the variety across cultures ensures that everyone can find options that suit their taste preferences. As science continues to deepen our understanding of the gut microbiome, fermented foods remain one of the most encouraging tools available. They bridge ancient culinary traditions with modern health insights, offering a natural, enjoyable way to nourish the body from the inside out. Through their probiotics, enzymes, and bioactive compounds, they support digestion, reinforce microbial diversity, and help create a more resilient gut environment. In a world where many aspects of health feel complex, fermented foods provide a refreshingly straightforward and proven path to better digestive well-being, one flavorful bite at a time.